Ants invading your home during spring is one of the most annoying things ever, but there are some easy ways to keep those little pests out without losing your mind. First off, you gotta seal every crack and crevice you can find around doors, windows, and the foundation. Ants are tiny, so even the smallest gap is like an open invitation. Next, use outdoor barrier treatments around your house's perimeter. Stuff like natural repellents or insecticides specifically made for ants works wonders. Keep your kitchen super clean, wipe down counters, and don't leave food crumbs or sticky spills because ants are like little sniffers for that stuff. Trash bins? Make sure they have tight lids and get emptied regularly. Inside, you can set up bait stations to attract and kill ants without spraying everywhere. Also, trim back bushes or trees touching your house, since ants love to use branches as bridges. If you catch an ant trail, follow it to find the entry point and seal it up as soon as possible. Lastly, check your pet's food area since spilled kibble can be a big ant magnet. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ant problems is ignoring how tiny the entry points can be. They sneak in through cracks you don't even notice. Fix that by doing a thorough check with a flashlight and sealing everything with caulk or weather stripping. Another common issue is not treating around the house outside. Ants get in from the yard, so outdoor barrier treatments are key, especially around foundations and doorways. Lastly, people often leave food out or don't clean up crumbs fast enough, which is basically handing ants an all-you-can-eat buffet. Keep surfaces clean and store food in sealed containers to avoid this. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with pest control and home repairs. Plus, it helps contractors get solid leads from people who need their services, so it's a win-win for everyone trying to keep their homes ant-free this spring.